Hello, this is Brandon Wiley coming from Physical Therapy Connections again. I'm here today with another exercise video on 3D motion based in stability. So this is a continuation of the introduction to 3D movements and an extension of introduction components of balance. So specifically, we're going to be looking at 3D motion and how we can use 3D motion to improve our balance. So I'll show you again, I'm going to start with the basics, but then I'll show you how to make it easier and I'll show you how to make it harder. So the basics are, you're standing on one leg, foot is staying about ankle height, you're just reaching as far forward, as far backwards as you can, without putting the foot down. So that's one motion, right? Next motion is side to side, again, foot staying ankle height. You can go behind for this one too if you like. And the last one, of course, is without touching the ground, you're rotating in, rotating out. So those are the basic motions. To make it easier, the easiest one to do is you can or the easiest change up you can do to make it easier is you just make the motions a little smaller, whether that be rotation, maybe I'm not crossing with the rotation, maybe I'm not crossing when I'm doing side to side, but you just keep the motion smaller. That's the easiest way to change it. But if you're still having trouble with balance, you can do toe touches. So I can do toe touch forward, toe touch back, toe touch outside, toe touch inside. Same with rotation. I'm adding a toe touch. If you gradually want to make it harder, only have one toe touch. So maybe I'm only toe touching when I'm going forward, maybe I'm only toe touching when I'm pointing my toe in, or maybe I'm only toe touching when I'm going out. So those are ways to make it easier. The last way is just be near something and you have something for balance, whether it be a wall, a chair, and you're touching that as you're trying to stand on one leg going through your three-dimensional motions. So those are all ways to make it easier. Next, we're going to go over how to make it harder. So how do we make it harder? The simplest way to make it harder is we can reach further forward, further backwards. We can kind of go further in any one of the three motions or 6 directions. Next way we can make it harder is we can start adding arms, because that shifts our center of mass more as we're going through the motion, as we see there. And we can start playing with speed, especially if the head is moving. If we start moving fast and our head is moving fast, that's going to make it much harder to maintain that balance. We could try closing our eyes when doing it. We could try moving our head left to right as we try to do these. Again, faster you move the head, the harder it becomes. You can do head nods, turns, etc. If you want, you can unbalance yourself by offsetting your weight, holding a weight in one arm while you're trying to do these exercises. If you do have any questions, these are a lot of good ideas on how to make it harder, how to make it easier. If you're looking for more ideas on how to challenge your balance, feel free to give us a call at the Physical Therapy Connections. Hope you're staying warm out there. Thanks.